need 3/4 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of coffee, 1.5 cups of chocolate chunks or chocolate chips, 2 eggs, room temperature, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, and that's all. In a small saucepan, you want to put in all of your ingredients and you want to bring it to boil on a medium. It might look a little chunky at first, but you want to just let it cook, let everything melt, and it will start to turn more liquidy very soon. From the 1.5 cups of chocolate, the chocolate chips, I left 1/4 of it out because I wanted to put that on the top of the brownies. Before you put the chocolate mixture inside of the egg mixture, you want to let the chocolate mix cool down for a bit, a couple of minutes. Here I'm just pouring the 1/4 cup of chocolate chips that were left that we saved from the 1.5 cups. If you want an ooey gooey brownie, then start checking your brownies around 18 minutes. Once you're done, stick a toothpick down the middle. If it comes out wet, that means you still need to cook it for a couple of minutes. If it comes out clean, then that means your brownies are fully cooked. But because these are brownies, the toothpick will come a little bit wet because of the chocolate chips, so just keep that in mind.